Did you know you can run AI on your own PC in just 5 minutes, completely free, using AI? In this video I'll show you exactly how, step by step, with a tool called Ollama. Stay till the end to see the result. Ollama is an AI tool that lets you run AI on your own PC without any skills or expensive software, right inside your browser. Let me show you how it works. Here are some real examples created with Ollama. Just look at the quality, and remember, all of this was made by regular people with no experience. With Ollama you can run AI on your own PC and a whole lot more in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup, everything runs right in your browser. These results are stunning, and the best part is you can make something just like this yourself in only 5 minutes. Let me show you how. First, head over to the Ollama website and click sign up. Log in with your Google account in just a few seconds, no credit card needed. To run AI on your own PC, just type a simple description of what you want, or upload your file. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. Hit generate, and in seconds the AI creates your result, just like these examples. Pick your favorite and move on. When you're happy with it, download your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your projects, or social media. Done in 5 minutes. The free plan is perfect to get started. If you need more, the paid plans are cheap and scale up as you grow. And that's how you run AI on your own PC with AI in 5 minutes. The link to try Ollama for free is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I review a brand new AI tool every single day.